Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from FOREX Traders. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with a trade breakdown on exactly what happened on Eurocad, from the forecast to taking all the particular trade and to where we are right now. So make sure you stick around and watch the rest of the video, and I'll show you how we made over $2,500 right here. So watch the rest of the video. Alright, so let me show you where everything started from. All right, so let me show you what happened and everything. So we started from here. So this was, I think, Monday or Tuesday. Actually Saturday, I was able to share some of the focus right here, and you can see that Eurocad was right here. Eurocad was forecasted in our mentorship community together with a lot of maybe 4 pairs, and this is what I was looking at. I was looking at a rally based job supplies one with liquidity right here, which was left behind. So what I wanted was for the market to come into this area and then do what? Potentially go to the downside. My stop loss was 7 pips and my target was 12 pips, right? Making it like a 1 to 30 risk reward ratio setup. Alright, so we waited. Monday, nothing happened, and then Tuesday we saw an opportunity. You see the market was approaching our level right here. So as the market was approaching, I said to the community, guys, let's get ready because Eurocad is approaching. All right, and then later on we saw now the market coming to our area, all right, direct into our zone right here. So the market beautifully coming into this area, and guess what happened? We were able to take this particular signal right here, 7 pips stop loss and 12 pips target right here. And guess where we're at right now? The market has dropped beautifully all the way to this particular area right where we're at right now. A beautiful 1 to 18 risk to reward ratio trade that actually went all the way to about 1 to 21 risk to reward ratio. However, the market is now kind of responding from this level right here, and today is Friday. Guess what? I don't want to hold my trade all the way via the weekend, therefore I'm going to close this trade today. All right, so this is what is happening right now. The market went all the way to 1 to 21 risk to reward ratio, and now the market is at 1 to 17 risk reward ratio. It was just about 1 to 18 already. But right now it's trying to retrace. The market is retracing to the downside, to the upside. So I'm looking at this level right here potentially to be able to actually hold. If this doesn't hold, then we can actually get out of this particular trade. I was also able to take this trade personally. You can see right here my entry was beautiful right here, and you can see that we've traded my stop loss all the way to this level right here, and right now my stop loss is at 91 pips in profit, and about $2,000 in profit. So if you just check our you can see that right now we're about $2,370 in profit. Of course, that keeps on fluctuating because the market is still open. So my plan is to close this trade if this level here doesn't hold. So if this doesn't hold, then we'll be able to just close the market and I'll walk away with about $2,069 profit, which is absolutely great. So this is how it is. This is a trade we took on Tuesday and we held it through all the way to today, Friday, and we won't just keep it open. We're most likely going to close this particular trade because it has been amazing. You can see it kept on pushing to the downside in a very nice way, and all the updates were given in our private signals community right here. As you can see, as the market kept on going in our direction, we were able to actually move our stop loss to this level right here to secure profit. And now the market will tell the community to actually move the stop loss to this particular level right here, which is this level right here. Once the market breaks this level to the above, meaning there's a high chance that the market may continue to go to the upside. And guess what? We don't want to give up the winning profits that we've made on this particular trade, and therefore we're just going to make sure that that doesn't happen. And you can see that people were actually able to take this particular trade in our segments community, others were able to share, and yeah, people took this particular trade and they're making money right here by simply being around and taking this particular trade when we sent this signal right here. This is a beautiful trade that turned out amazing, and we always share this. Actually, if you remember very well, this forecast was shared in our Facebook and also Instagram. Not just this one, we also had a beautiful let me just show you right here, the NZD Swiss right here. This went all the way, let me just show you, all the way to take profit, and actually went beyond that. Let me just see. You see, this was the NZD Swiss. It went all the way to take profit, and this was forecasted in our mentorship community, and then also we were able to share it on our Facebook and everything. So you are really missing out if you are not part of our signals community, or especially our mentorship community, where you were able to send the forecast, which is very important. All right, so make sure you check the first link in the description for you to be able to join us if you're interested in being able to actually trade like we do and everything. Remember, you get lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals whenever you get our M&F mastery course, and plus a lot more benefits which will help you become a consistently profitable trader. So this is how it is, guys. If you can go to the daily time frame right here and predetermine the overall direction of the market. Okay, so you come here, you see what is happening right here. Okay, you zoom out so that you can have a clear view of what is happening. So you can see that the market was kind of stagnant right here. The market was in a form of a consolidation. However, what I noticed was that the market had broken the structure right here. Okay, so we had a nice rally base drop supply zone, and then we had equal highs right here, which were left above right here. So always important, I always make sure that I wait for the market to take out the liquidity. All right, so I also wait for the Asian session to be taken out. You can see what happened right here. The Asian session was taken out from here, and then the market waited for the market to come into our zone right here. So let's go to a lower time frame and see what was happening there. What was happening there, and what gave us the confirmation to actually be able to actually take this trade. So look here. So the market came into this level, gave a nice rejection, it dropped, and then let me just remove this to the upside. Yeah, you can see that the market came to this level, gave us a nice rejection, then went back, and then we had another beautiful rejection right here, and guess what? The market dropped. And if you look here, this says re-entry, because we were able to take the first trade we took was here. Unfortunately, the market went back. As you can see, after we entered from here, the market was in profit, and then it went back with this big momentum candle. And as you can see, this was driven by news event or opening of the session. Therefore, there was more spread, there's much more spread right there. Therefore, you can see that the market never really came to our stop loss. So the market kind of just took us out due to spread. Of course, it was like a 7 pip stop loss, and then later on I saw the market going back after this. I was like, okay, this is an opportunity to be able to enter again in this particular trade. Why did I send a re-entry right here? You can see it says re-entry. Why did I send the re-entry? Because I had the confidence in my setup. I know that this is going to happen sometimes. This is what we call a double confirmatory entry, where we have the market will come into this level right here, and then also going back to that same level. And yeah, so usually people, once they're taken out, they'll not enter again. But if the market is still in your zone and you have the confirmation, you have the confidence in that setup, I always encourage you guys to make sure you get in, because the market is still in your zone. And after we got in, we saw the market just melting to the downside. Day one, we're up like maybe 5 hours, then the market retraced, and then we saw the market now going all the way to this level right here. The other day we had CPI. That CPI also just propelled this market to the downside, and now we can see that the market is beautifully now coming to this level. Unfortunately, now we're having the market coming to this level right here, and it's actually likely to go all the way. Therefore, what I'm going to do right now is simply close my trade. And just like that, you see we're closing with about $2,300 on this particular trade, and just like that. All right, so there's a very high chance of the market actually coming all the way to that level right here, and for that reason we'll update our signals community to actually close this particular trade right here. Let's close Eurocad trade right here, and just like that, boom. So it means that this trade right here, we've gone out with about 1 to 15 risk reward ratio, which is absolutely insane. So congrats to the members that was able to take this particular trade, who stuck through it from all the way. Remember, today is Friday and you want to hold this trade or the via weekend, because anything can happen at any particular time. All right, you guys, congratulations, you have managed to catch this big one. You guys, until next time, see you around, and make sure check the first link in the description to be able to join our community if you're interested.